Ang karabulan. Single, double, triple. Double. Judith. Hello, how are you? Kuya, sa spelling sa yan. Judith ito eh. Kato ng tana. Jodyth. Jodat. Hello, how are you? How are you daw ka? How are you daw ka? She's fine. You're still beautiful. Judith. Can I do if what can I do if I mistake spelling? It's okay. It's okay, Shadar. No one's perfect. That's very, very fine. It's fine. Because no one's perfect. Judith or something else. Send super chat if wrong spelling. Mr. Shadar, send super chat if you can, if you're, if wrong spelling. You send super chat, Shadar. Because you are wrong spelling. I want red super chat. So that we can buy more pizza. So that we can buy more pizza. Oh, bitin ako sa pizza eh. Oh.
Ay, sabi nga ay, anak ko. Ay, gato. Ano siya, ito, kung ay, basta naman ko, kaya naman, imo nga mo, wala na lang kung na-acterin ko. Ako, pero wala kwarta.
Tagaman na siya.
Sili ko kailangan nila ay, kay, maritis kayo.
Nagmaritis rin. I want more pizza, Shidar. Send me super chat. Super chat, Shidar. I will buy more pizza. I want to eat more pizza. I want read super chat. Oh, you need super chat, but I haven't money in my account. Ay, ouch. That's sad. That's so sad. Send it by Gcash. Ouch. That's so ouchy. That's so ouchy. That's so ouchy. You don't have money in your account. That's so ouchy.
Invite na kami sa sure na yun. Ikaw mo, invite, thank you. Kaya ka mo. Kamu rin, imbita na magdala pa magdala.
Ba't ka dito eh?
Ha?
Ba't ka?
Uy, tinoo mo na!
Ano naman kaming na natin?
Nako, dinidjot kay. Lahi, kung magkobra sa ko, invite ko ni mo. Kami na dyan, wanda rin sa wanda dito.
Sa mga pag inside na palit sa'yo na dito. No need to plus one. Dili lang plus one. Plus one family.
Wanda kan, kasi lang na